Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about Python membership operator, that is not in. Previous video I will discuss about membership operator in. Here in this video I am going to tell about not in, means negation form of the membership operator in. Okay, that's a very simple. So in this particular video I am also declare one object, and inside the object there is the element. So if the element is not present inside the object, it returns the true. That is the sense. If the element present inside the video and your declaration as a not in, it returns the false. Simple form. Okay, what already I have done in previous video, that same thing done here, but some negative form. Okay, so let's see. So inside this, first we have to take in as a list equal to, so first we have to declare list object, that is L. Okay, so L equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, then print, here I am writing that is a 4 not in L. So here return not in L means here 4 is true return, because 4 is not present inside the list. Yes. Okay, if I go for the print 5 not in L, that is also true return, 5 is not in L. Okay, so suppose here print 2 not in L. Okay, so false, here false, because 2 is present inside the list, but I am declaring here not in the list. So that is the why here the problem arises, and it will shows you the false case, because already exists, but I am going to telling that system as a not exist. So it check the list present and it returns you false case. If I am giving here not, if I remove this not, okay, so what is going to be written here? That is going to be written true. Very simple. Okay, so if you take another list object, take a tuple, you take as the tuple array object, just like same. Okay, T equal to, inside the tuple you have to take in as A comma B comma C. Okay, fine. Then print, here I have taken as a D not in T, which is true, because alphabet D is not present here. Yes, it's a true. If I am given as A, but here A is present, but I am negatively writing here A is not in T, A is not a member in T, that's written a false. Okay, understand? Very simple. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notification. Thank you.